2.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Let's get him in here.
9-all.
Oh, no!
That's right, here you go. Let's try to attack.
Back to the other paddle.
Yeah, that's an easy. Man, you slung that ball. Freaking slingshotter. Hit the ball once, Paul.
I did.
Alright, let's go.
It's just a long time. Oh, 9 more.
There we go. Trying to attack us now. Slow down.
11-9.
We can play our game. Out. Alright, here we go.
9-11.
9-11. Back into the middle of the
9-11, thanks. 9-11-1.
Show some effort, Callie. Come on.
9-11-2. You're trying to do some fancy wrist stuff.
You said to. You said all
Yeah,
the
I
trick
did.
shots.
I said fancy stuff.
You said bring them out. 11-9.
Out. Here we go. Love those easy ones.
Yeah.
Especially when they're serving.
11-9.
Yeah. Here we go. Let's go. 9. Got it, man. Keep going there, man. Those are our balls. Oh, it's slung on my paddle! Son of a biscuit.
Down in flames here, Jelly. Come on.
That's all right. We're rising back up. We're gonna be like that Denzel Washington airplane movie. Dude, it's coming. Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Rodney.
14. 9-14. 1. Oh, too high. There we go. I got it. There you go. Okay.
Here we go. I love coming back. I love this. Is my favorite thing to do.
Mine too. Here we go.
All right, 14-2.
Forehand side. 15-14. I got it.
Yeah. Nice job, Rodney. There we go. Did you smell that? I smell the train coming.
Smell that. Come
I
back.
smell the train coming. I hear it. Let's go. 10, 14, 2.
Whoa, fault.
Here we go. Throwing you off.
Fault.
20 points for us. Put the 20 on the board for me.
Stop him here. Traveled all this way. Nice. Here we go. Come on, let's go.
Right here.
14-10.
Come on.
All right.
I smell it.
I'm even starting to smell it now, Billy.
Smell it, man.
Here we go.
Smell it. All right, here we go. 10-14, 1. Get in there. You got it, man.
Get the ball
A
across.
little higher. I don't care if they hit it over.
Okay.
Give me that. You can get them.
Yeah.
What's the score? 10-14?
10-14.
Thank you. Yeah.
Nice shot.
Go.
Sure can look at a long time at that.
Nice shot. Good serve.
Run. Here we go. Let's go. One more.
11.
10 minutes.
14.
Get it?
You smell it, Paul?
Oh, they had it. Hey, you know what? We still got this. We still got it.
11-1.
I can feel it. We got control of this game. Let's go. Come on. Get one more point right back here. Let's get it back. Get 1 point. Out. Go. 11.
14. 1.
Get it, Rodney. He missed hit it.
Yeah, obviously. All right, here we go.
Let's go. 11, 14.
Got it.
Let's go.
Time out.
Time out. Come on, man. Time out. Let's go.
You keep going.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Come on. Huh, huh.
Inside it is.
No. I'm a 2, right?
You are too.
All right.
Great time out, bud. There, get back there.
All right. 12, 14. 2.
Is that where he is?
Let's go. 13, 14. 2. Oh no! I had it! Let's go. Let's get back.
Pretty good.
Hey, we've done it 8 times.
So far.
We can do it 9.
14, 13, 1.
Sorry, Rodney.
That's all right. That's all right. I saw it coming.
Let's go.
Get in there, Dally. 14, 13, 2. Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, nice game, guys.
Hey, that's better than 8 or 6 or whatever we had when they had 14.
Nice comeback, you guys.
Who's now?
That's mine, man. Thank you.